of people here has seen that. It's so American though, but not a lot of people. It's so funny. Oh, we can have a Bigel things section.
Section.
Theirs. No. Like 4 shots.
Mud wrestling tayo, mud wrestling.
Oh.
Wrestling.
Oil wrestling.
Oil?
Ang hirap nun.
Isa sa consequence, i-tar and feather natin isang tao.
Wow.
Okay.
Ano yung tarang
Hindi
pwede?
naman, wag naman tar, pero something equivalent like
Ano?
honey.
Ano ibig sabihin ng pares letter?
Okay, that's funny.
Lagyan ka ng malagkit, tapos lagyan ka ng
Feathered.
balahibo ng manok. Si Tin ngayong masungit. Ano? Oh. Oh. Ano ba? There na lang yun, yung, I mean, consequence na lang yun, like, pwede tayo maglaro ng card game and something na if talo ka, you're stuck on ididikit ka sa,
Okay.
di ba?
Yeah. But let's just do a whole lot of consequences and then